Okay, hello. I just finished the assembly of my uh, plasma cutting table. As you see, we are using a plasma cutter about 100 ampere, and it is a powerful machine, so we'll no have problem about the cutting speed or any other parameter related with the cut. We are going to test it and we'll see how the result to work. And I finished all the electronic, everything is connected, and I did test it. Everything's up to this moment is working nice, and yeah, there is nothing to mention. It's just when I have time, so I will put it to work and see how it can cut. Yep. uh, if somebody want to know any more information, just write in the comment and ask exactly what you want to know. The assembly, it is not just a one. I didn't really have a time to film everything, but I will try to make a complete film about everything, how you can wire the cables, how you can make the control box and what is inside it, and how you connect it to the plasma cutter. So it is really an excited project. Now I am in the last step, is just to plug it in for 380 ampere, 80 volt, 380 volt, and we see say 400 volt, but we plug it in three phase and we see how it's work. We will see. Check the limit switch, everything's I know there is a lot of question about the Z-axis, how it's work, but I have to come close to show you the illusion detector. It's in back, you can't really see it. It is the red one down, but yeah, we'll put it to see. It is not fast. It is stick with a magnet, so if something happen, it will just fall down and will activate the collision switch, so everything will stop. Yeah, we are using two sensor for the material deduction, so if one is failed, the other one it will be active. So yeah, a lot of safety feature inside the Z-axis. You can't see it. It's look everything is fast, but that is not the truth. It is just everything is compact. Yeah. Okay, so there is nothing to say. Just wait until we just power the machine, so we'll see how it's look like. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your time. If you are interested in this topic, you can make a notes, or you can just wait for the next video. So yep, it's done.